A quick one, this video is going to teach you how to calculate your reinforcement on site using this approach. I'm going to use this from your slab to your beam, from your beam to column, from column towards your footing. Alright, let's assume we have 10 meter cube of concrete in slab, beam, column and footing, and you want to calculate for the reinforcement needed for slab, beam, column and footing. The reinforcement, you don't need to disturb yourself. This is what you need to do. In kg will be equals to total volume of concrete multiplied by percentage of steel present in that concrete. Now let's start with our slab. For slab, percentage of steel present in slab is 1%. Note the density of steel is equals to 7850 kilogram per meter cube. So having known this, we can now start the calculation. So for slab, we now have the volume of concrete is 10 meter cube multiplied by 1% of 7850 kilogram per meter cube, which is the density of steel. So 1% of steel is present here. So let's do this. We now have 10 to multiply 1% of this is 78.5 or in kg. So this multiplied by this will give us 785 kilogram. So for 10 meter cube of concrete in your slab, you have 785 kilogram of your reinforcement in kg. So let's go over to beam. The percentage of steel present in beam is 2%. So if that is the case, we use the total volume. We use the total volume 10 meter cube, multiply it by 2% of density of steel, which is 7850 kilogram per meter cube. So this will eventually give us 10 multiplied by 2% of this will give us 157. This multiplied by this, we have 1570 kilogram. So for every 10 meter cube of concrete in your bin, this is the kg of iron present in that bin. 1570 kilograms. You just have to place your order. So let's go over to our column. For column, what is the percentage of steel present in column? We're using 2.5%. So for 2.5%, we have the total cubic multiplied by 2.5% of 7850 kilogram per meter cube. So here we have 10 times 2.5% of this will give us what? 196.25 or in kg. So this multiplied by this, we have 192.5 kilogram. So the next one is our footing. For our footing, we use 0.8% of steel present in footing. So if that is the case, it means we have to use the total volume multiply by 0.8% of what? 7850 kilogram per meter cube. So this will eventually give us what? 10 multiplied by 0.8% of this will give us what? 62.8, or in kilogram. This multiplied by this, we have 628 kilogram of steel. So